Hello everyone. So now we are going to start the next tense, that is future perfect tense. As in our previous class, we have seen the simple future and the future continuous. So now we are going to start the future perfect. So what's the meaning of perfect? Perfect means completed. I repeat, perfect means completed. But as here I'm talking about the future time. Okay. So even though you might be aware that future perfect tense is used, but in our real life we don't use to that extent. Yeah, so I'll tell you even the practical use of future perfect in real life as well. But mainly if anyone who would like to become a politician, it will help them a lot, and let's see how. As future perfect, which means completed in the, like, which will complete in future. For example, mainly the politicians, they say that like if I win, I will have constructed the roads by next year. Now, so you may even question that, okay, so what's the difference between I will construct and I will have constructed? As you can see, I will construct means you're just saying that yes, I'll do, but I will have means in future by this particular time you will complete the task at any cost. That is what the meaning of future perfect, and such promises are particularly made. Okay, I'm not emphasizing on any particular thing, I mean any politician. It's only to give you the example. uh, Now, so here we can go with we will have built the roads within next 3 months or within 3 months. So if I say I will have built, it means I'll just do. But I will have built means I'll do at any cost. And if I say I will build, then it means okay, may or may not be kind of, or okay, I'll do, but not sure about the time. Okay, let's say if somebody says that okay, he will have or I will have returned by today evening, it means at any cost by today evening he is going to return. Hope you're getting the point now. So what is the syntax of future perfect? In case of future perfect, we don't use has, we use only uh, have. And mainly, as you might have seen in the books, it's written shall and will both, but I'm recommending you to use only well. Why? Because shall, it shows about the 50-50, and as you are going to make about the future promise, so I would recommend you practically seeing, practically like if you say I shall have come by today evening, or I shall have gift, like I shall have reached, or I shall have done this, so people are not going to believe. Why? Because shall means 50-50. So it's better use will, like I will have. Thus you can proceed by subject plus will plus have plus v3 plus object. As you can see, subject plus will plus, or not this, yeah, subject plus will plus have plus v3 plus object. Even in this, subject plus will plus have plus v3 plus object. Hope now you got the point. Let me show you one more. So as you can see here, a person, he is just promising all the people that I will have constructed the roads by next year, or I will have done whatever the things it can be. Okay, so you can proceed with your own examples. Now, in case of IT sector, how it can be useful? Let's say if your client has set the deadline, and if your manager says that yes, you need to send it, but as you are not prepared, so you can just use a promising statement using future perfect, that is I will have delivered the project by Monday morning. Okay, it means at any cost by Monday morning I will send. But if you say I will deliver, it means I will deliver the project, it means may or may not be. But the moment you say I will have delivered, it means at any cost you are going to deliver it. Now we are heading towards the last tense, that is future perfect continuous. So future perfect continuous as well we don't use in our day-to-day life. Why? You'll come to know. Because future perfect continuous, it means something that completed, that will complete in future, and again it will continue. For example, uh, we will have been studying for 3 years, she will have been dancing from morning. It means we will have been studying for 3 years means I have, like, we have not yet started, but once if we start, we will continue for 3 years, and after the completion of those 3 years we may continue again. So such things, like, it is good in order to make the resolutions, but not good in terms of practicality. Now let me give one example for this. By using the first statement, then you will get more clarity. Just imagine when you were in your class 10th, so you were told that okay, if you'll study well, then you'll get the job, and I mean, if you'll study well, your life will be settled. So as you studied a lot and a lot, and then even you have skipped all the functions, parties, everything. Then after after the completion of 10th, you got like, let's say, 90 or 95%. Then the next hurdle comes, that is the plus one plus two. So you might have taken MPC, so called PCM, and you were told that if you could study hard, then your life is going to be settled. Why? Because you're going to get into IITs or NITs or any prestigious college. Thus, you work hard. Again, you skip all the functions, parties, and then almost you try to get, or like, let's say if you miss by 1 or 2 marks, so you just get some good colleges. Then again, you were told that if you'll study for this 4 years, I mean the BTech, you'll are going to get your life is going to be get settled. So, but already as you got fooled for 2 times, so now you're going to proceed with this thing, that is, no, I don't have to listen. I just need to enjoy. Like, you might have watched the movies and you got inspired that yes, college is only meant to enjoy. Thus, you start your first year of your graduation. On the day one, you may not meet the people. I mean, not meet the friends, but after a few days, you are going to meet few friends, and they are going to be your best friends throughout your life. Thus, the first semester starts as your father told you to study hard, and but as due to your friends, you may just skip the first semester, and just you remember 1 day before the exam that yes, I need to study because I have not prepared yet. But as these many years, I mean, during your 10th and 12th, you were preparing to get 90%, 95%, but now in the first semester of your graduation, you are preparing to get the pass marks, and thus anyhow you make it. After the results, all the friends, they sit together and they just discuss, uh, not about the percentage, they just discuss that okay, how many of you have failed or like backlogs. Then from the next semester, you just make yourself promise that yes, this semester we'll study hard and we'll try to get the great marks with the resolution. But again, in the second semester, the same thing it happens. Then you realize, and then you make very wonderful resolution using future perfect continuous. That is, almost we have wasted 1 year, so now we'll not waste, as we are left with 3 more years. And here we go with, like, we will have been studying for 3 years. It means we have not yet started, but once if we start, we'll continue for the next 3 years, and thus the journey it goes on even after the BTEC. So now I hope you understood about the future perfect continuous. It means something that has not yet started, but if it starts, it will go on. Like as you can see here, I will have been reading for 2 years. It means I have not yet started, but if I start, I will do this. I will continue. So practically speaking, the syntax for this, again, you have to remove shall. Why? Because shall, it tells about 50-50. So it's better just include subject plus will have plus been plus v4 plus object plus for or from. Now very important thing here, why I'm using from. As you can see here, I need to have the future time, since as we have used in past perfect continuous and present perfect continuous, here I have to use from, because as I'm taking the future time, whereas for will remain as it is. Why? Because for the duration. But from, I have to include. Why? Because I need to take the future time, like I will have been traveling from 2026. Hope you're getting the point, everyone. Okay, so with this we are done with our tenses. So happy learning, and if you need any assistance, please type in the comment section below, and I'll be very happy to help you all. Thank you and have a great day.